and welcome back to my channel. This video was highly requested on my Instagram when I recently shared a video with my curls, and this is a question I've been getting a lot on how I create this kind of wavy, curly, amplified look. This is kind of my little go-to way of amplifying my natural curls. I just got out of the shower, so my hair is damp. I'm going to walk you through it from wet to dry, how I do this look. And if this is a video that you've been waiting for, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and please support my channel. It means so much to me. Thank you so much in advance, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm just gonna brush through my hair. When I got out of the shower, I obviously did my makeup first, so that gives my hair some time to just dry naturally. So if you have the extra time to spare, you know, even 10 minutes to just let it somewhat dry on its own, that's always just a better way to go. Alright, so once I have brushed my hair is damp, I put in my Magic Mist from Incommon. I just love this. It strengthens, it protects, it hydrates, it does so many things in one. For the roots of my hair, I'm going to be using Oribe's. This is their Serene Scalp Thickening Treatment Spray. They sent it to me to try out, and honestly, the packaging is so cute. I naturally have pretty thick hair, so I don't go crazy with it all around my hair. But if you're somebody who has more fine hair, obviously a thickening product is a must for creating a look like this. Even if you don't have naturally curly hair, don't feel like you're going to be excluded from this tutorial. You may have to actually curl more sections of your hair with a specific wand that I'm going to show you that helps me create those curls. Currently, we are in Nice, France. We're going to Florence today, going to drive down there. So we're at a hotel right now, and I'm just going to be using their blow dryer, which I feel like this one isn't going to let me down. You know how a lot of hotel blow dryers suck? This is the Babyliss, what is it? The Retro Core 2000 Babyliss. This was in my hotel bathroom. I feel like it'll be pretty good. Just going to give my hair a rough blow dry. What that means is I'm just going to get it dry enough to where I can actually style it and play with it a little bit. I feel like I'm in a music video. As you can see, it's just looking crazy, all right? Not to say that I don't love a little crazy, but I think for me, I want to tame this a little bit, give it some shape, give it some natural dimension and volume, and obviously amplify what my mama gave me. Usually when you're getting ready to use a curling wand or a curling iron, they always say to like section your hair. We're not going to do that in this case because I've found that when I section my hair, I tend to go overboard with the curling wand, and I end up doing the whole hair with the curling wand, and it just doesn't look as natural. I will say I went a little crazy with that blow dryer. I didn't know how hot it was gonna get, so I definitely have to work on these little stringy pieces. Usually if I don't have anywhere to be, I would just naturally let my hair air dry and then go back over certain areas with a curling wand and obviously just smooth out around the crown and obviously in the bangs. But because I want to show you guys how to do it on the days when you just need to get ready for the day and you got to go, that's kind of what I prefer, is just making sure it's mostly dry with the blow dryer. And now we can move on with curling wand. So a curling wand that I have been using for those specific curls that you guys are talking about is a curling wand that I found in my mother-in-law's guest bathroom, which is obviously my sister-in-law Grace's curling iron that used to be her old bedroom. This is from Bedhead, and I just don't even know if it still exists. I'm sure it does, but it's one of these wands, so it's really skinny, but I like that the wand isn't just perfectly straight. So this is going to allow me to create more natural looking curls. I can obviously switch it up in terms of how much hair I'm grabbing on the wand. And if you get like little frizzy pieces, that's okay, because those pieces we can also target and curl so that they calm down. We're just going to start with this side. I'm going to grab the curling wand and put it behind my head, and I'm just going to twirl it on the wand all the way and just leave almost like an inch of hair just hanging off the ends, and you don't even have to hold it on very long. And look, it gives you that curl that you guys are loving right now. And I'm going to grab another section, and maybe this section is going to be less hair so that it just looks more natural that way. When you just kind of change the amount of hair that you're curling, it just gives it more of that natural effect, because not two curls look the same, right? You're just playing with the wand, whatever is comfortable for you. I don't have like a crazy method for the wand. It just feels, you know, comfortable that way. It's like, it's almost better if you're not so strategic with the wand. Thanks to YouTube, I can speed this up a little bit, and I'll meet you guys on the other side. Can I just say, the plug for this cord is so far away, it doesn't stretch that as close as I want it to, so I'm like having to like struggle with this. If you want it more curly, you just get a smaller piece and go closer to the root just for a couple seconds and release it. That's going to give you more volume at the root. And obviously just make it look more like a little cute fro, and it also gets rid of any of that frizz. I'm just going to run my fingers through it to soften it up. I add a little bit of texture spray. It just amplifies the look. I cannot live without a texture spray. Ooh, it's boosted. We've got some curl action happening. And then this side is still kind of womp womp. So I'm going to balance it out now on this side, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Voila! The ends, if they seem a little bit frizzy, just quickly at the very end, not even an inch, run a straightener through it to kind of make sense of it all, and so that everything's flowing in the direction that you want. Classic Sazan, I always end up flipping it the other way too. I just like that you can flip it either which way once you're done. Here it is, guys. My amplified natural curly hair tutorial, I guess. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you will like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for all your love and support. Until next time, mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.